Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Kristen. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. In today's video we're going to be going over my Boxycharm Base Box for May 2021. A little squished. But I'm not sure which one this is for. I already looked in here. So this, yes, again is the base. You can see it by the red. Luckily, we have some information here. I'm going to take everything out. I've already looked in here because I was super excited. I wanted to see if I got that Kab palette. Because I've been talking a little bit about that one, but unfortunately I didn't. So that's fine. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here, this is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible aging. I can't speak. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakdown formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. I believe I've gotten this before, so I'm not going to open it. I'm not sure which one I got it in, but yeah, I'm not going to open it. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out here. Okay, so this is Beekman 1802. I'm not even opening this either because I have tons of eye serums. But this is dewy-eyed, illuminating, and depuffing eye serum. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives, and goat milk quickly absorb into skin for hydrating revitalization that eliminates eyes while having to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Oh, this retails for $42. That first one, the Murad, $74. Okay, the next thing we got here, this is a skin ink. Now look at that packaging. My daily dose of uplift. This says this skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. This retails for $65. Now, I did get similar. I believe this was from like my first either Allure or Macy's box, but it's not quite the same color, but it's similar concept. It's got the little floaty things in it. That, yeah, retails for $65. So that one though, the first one didn't come in a box like this, so that's kind of nice. It wasn't just floating free in the box. Okay, the next thing we're gonna grab, this is a Ciate London Shadow Flip. Little tiny box. It says this liquid eyeshadow is shade-shifting, color-flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease, and this retails for $20. I will put this on my hand. I will show you because I've already tried it anyways. It almost looks rainbowy in the package, which is cool. I don't think that's quite normal for this color, but it's a very cool, you know, multi-chrome or whatever. And it looks decent too. It doesn't look like shit. So that is the color. Cool. Yeah, once it's on my hand it doesn't look so much like it does in the bottle, but that's fine. Okay, and the last thing we have, this is a Sophia plus Mabel Hydrating Hybrid. And it says this hydrating hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you're in need of a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color. And this retails for $15. So let us see what this looks like. Oh, okay, so we got clear packaging. Oh, and it's a nice neutral color. Okay. Let's see. It goes on smooth. It is quite sheer. Not quite sheer. It is sheer though. So that's the top color. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay. Now I could actually see myself using everything in this box. So anyway, so yeah, so that was my box, the Boxycharm Flourish. That is the theme for the month. Damn. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm pre-recording because I'm going to be on vacation, so same shirt, don't care, not changing my shirt. So yes, I will probably upload a few little videos while I'm out there, just extra every day. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget I upload every single day because I'm a crazy ass. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.